Hi, and if you don't know or you're new to this channel, I'm Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench. Today is March the 15th, and it's the last day, it's the final day where we all in the USACC group build reveal our finished or maybe not finished USACC project. So I'm recording this actually on March the 13th because as of now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be finished or not. I'm almost there, but not quite sure. I'm waiting for paint to dry, and I'll give you a hint. If everything fits together afterwards and I don't mess something up, I should be finished by the 15th. All right. So, hey, this year's model kit was chosen by Fred Henry over at the West Georgia? Yes, the West Georgia Rods and Custom channel. I put a link to his channel down in the description. Go check it out. He's got a great channel. He's got some really, really great builds out there. So, give him some love. Go over there and check him out. And I also want to thank at this time Luka Cee and Mark Batson for creating this group build. And this is now the 5th year for this group build. This year, Fred Henry has selected a 1969 Camaro for the build, and I think it's a great selection. I build more than just model cars. I build a lot of science fiction and a lot of other type of genres. So I look forward to this build so that I get a chance to build an automotive car product again. And otherwise I get so sidetracked with science fiction and all that other stuff. I like getting my feet wet in the automotive field, and this one forces me to do that. So thanks. I appreciate this build, and I look forward to it every year. So, that said, I built this kit out of box. I've said this before, I have a lot of projects on my bench right now, and one or two of them are fairly complex. I mean, they're testing my abilities. That doesn't take much, by the way. All right, but they are testing my abilities. So I've been spending an enormous amount of time on them. And I say enormous amount of time, I mean, it's a hobby. I enjoy doing this. However, they are taking away time from, in things that I would just do for absolute pleasure, like building this car, which is absolute pleasure. Anyway, I start to ramble a lot. And I have a script right here in front of me. Look, I have a script right here in front of me, but I'll be doggone if I'm following it. I just don't follow scripts really well. Anyway, now where the heck was I? So anyway, this was a great build. I did it out of box with a few really small exceptions. And whether I get this kit finished or not, I will point them out to you. Again, I'll give you another hint. I'm waiting for paint to dry, and if everything fits together the way it did when it was dry fit, and I've had it happen where I've dry fitted stuff together and then I started doing the final assemblies and things just didn't fit well. So if everything fits together well, what you'll be seeing is a finished kit. If it didn't, you're going to be seeing like a 95% done kit. Anyway, I'm rambling on enough. So I want to thank, again, the founders of this, Luka Cee and Mark Batson. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Fred Henry, I've never talked to you, but thank you for picking this particular kit. I really, really enjoyed this kit, and I'm still enjoying it because it's, well, I'm in process yet. All right. So, hang in there. After a short little intro, you'll find out whether or not this kit actually got finished. All right, stick around. I'll be back in a minute or two. All right, see you in a minute. Hello all, and I'm glad you stayed with me, and welcome to my shop. It looks like I got it done. I got it done to the point where it's going to be done. Actually, it did. I finished it up today. Today is Saturday, March the 14th, and it's in the evening. I needed to get this video going so that I had time to do just a little bit of editing at least on it. But I did get the kit and the build all finished. And this is out of box. The only thing I did to this that, you know, if I was a kid doing this out of box, I probably would not have used the bare metal foil, which I did use on the sides. You can see I did the fender wells, I did the bottom half, I did all around the windows and the windshield, the wipers, the back window. The only thing I didn't do, and really it was because I forgot, was around the tail lights. But that's okay. I'm going to take it as that. I would have liked to also put the photo etched Chevy logos and stuff on it, but I'm sorry guys and gals, I'm just not steady enough to do that kind of really delicate little work anymore. It kind of, yeah, it sucks not being steady enough to do some of that really small type work. So anyway, I had one problem that I came across after everything, and that is, and you can see here, the hood doesn't quite set flat, and for some reason it's just that it's hitting a little bit on the engine air cleaner. Apparently I either don't have the chassis in far enough, or I have it in too far. So that's a little bit of a thing. Let me take the hood off here. And all I did was I used, some of the glue on here is wet yet, so I just used the factory engine. So everything is just factory. Whatever was in the box, that's what went in. I did have two parts that I was not able to use. One was the steering box. After the engine was in, there was not enough room for the steering box. So I just left it out. You can't really see it anyway. So I left that out. The other thing, which you probably aren't going to notice on here, but because I had some problem with the glass. I used the Testors, you know, canopy glass, canopy glue on it, and I had it all glued in, and I left it set overnight, and some of it ran onto the glass. Well, it's not hard to clean. You take a little isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip and stuff, and it cleans fairly right off. So, I mean, it did. It cleans right off. And then I assembled everything, mainly because, well, I was rushing to get it ready for, you know, the 15th. After I had everything together, it's like, oh no, I forgot to put the rear view mirror in. So it has none. But you know what? If I wouldn't have said anything, you probably wouldn't have noticed it. So that's that. I don't know if we can see into the interior or not. It's pretty dark in there because my interior is black, but I used a wood grain type steering wheel color. And actually, if you go on my website, and I'll put the address in the description, going right to the page for this build, you see close-ups of it on the website. I didn't do much fancy stuff at all with the bottom. Let me just flip this over. As you can see, it's just standard bottom. I didn't do any dirtying or anything like that. It went together really well. No problems at all with this build. I actually like the car. I like the model. It's really nice. And, you know, for a 71-year-old that's shaky and was rushing to make the 15th, it came out okay, I think. It's going to be just a shelf model anyway. I would never put this in any kind of a show. So anyway, it is finished, and it was a good build. I enjoyed this build a lot. I really did. And I wish I would have spent more time on it. I really do, because there's things that I would have liked to do. I would have liked to maybe try to find a way to steady myself and get some of the photo etch stuff on it. But all in all, this is it. All right. And this is going to be a shelf model anyway. I also, one last thing, I did some stuff. I don't use, I'm stumbling and mumbling here, I'm sorry. I don't use a lot of bare metal foil, because I build a lot of science fiction, and you don't really need bare metal foil for that. And in the past, I had found that bare metal foil, I just go to the dollar store and I get some really cheap, real thin aluminum, and then I use this Elmer's school glue, just coat the back of it lightly, and it works exactly like the bare metal foil. This time though, I got actual bare metal foil, and the reason is because of these fender wells and the rain gutters, or the drip rails, however you want to call them. The lines, the pattern was so tiny that I had a problem even with the bare metal foil and getting it to stay on and stick. So I got it on the best I could. It doesn't look too bad, and then I put 2 coats of clear coat on top of it. Hopefully it'll keep it in place. But again, it was a good build, and Fred Henry, I appreciate you for selecting this, because I'm not a Chevy guy, and maybe I'll become one. I really do like this. I like this car a lot. I like the build. I have another one that one day I may do it again. Also, I did not use the stripes that came in the decal packet. I actually like the car better without the stripes on it. I don't know. I think those wide stripes, the ones that go up over the hood and the trunk and stuff, I just think it makes the car look cheesy. But that's my choice. That's my selection. Some people really like them, some people don't. So anyway, I'm rambling, which I normally do. And I enjoyed the build. I look forward to seeing everybody else's builds. I really do. I've watched some of your progress videos, and they're really exciting to see what everybody's done with it. So until the next time, I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to say bye.